The KAAN and AMCA 5th-gen fighters are locked in a silent war of innovation. As Turkey pushes ahead with its stealth program, India's AMCA project is playing catch-up. Who leads the tech race? And what does it mean for Pakistan's air defense future? Imagine troops and equipment moving from Karachi to Lahore in just 4 hours. Pakistan's proposed defense corridor rail line could revolutionize rapid deployment during wartime, giving a strategic edge in any future conflict scenario. POF's newly launched facility is a game-changer. With a 35% reduction in ammunition imports, Pakistan is ramping up self-reliance in small arms production, quietly reshaping its national security supply chain. Old battle tanks aren't scrapped, they're reborn. Pakistan's defense engineers are converting legacy hulls into modern armored units, reducing costs and maximizing firepower for frontline deployment. A smart move in strategic warfare planning.
You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Get your trusted updates, not hype. Subscribe now.
In a chilling but calculated move, Pakistan has reportedly activated Dead Hand 2.0, an automated nuclear response system designed to retaliate even if command centers are neutralized. Using secure communication links, seismic sensors, and early warning data, the system ensures that any decapitation strike would trigger immediate retaliation. While officially unconfirmed, the deployment signals a new phase in deterrence, shifting the balance of South Asian nuclear doctrine and forcing adversaries to rethink first strike scenarios. Early Saturday morning, Ukrainian unmanned forces launched a major drone strike deep inside Russian territory. Multiple oil facilities, including the Ryazan refinery and Voronezh storage hub, were hit, triggering massive fires. Ukraine's intelligence also reports damage at the Primorsko-Akhtarsk drone base and the Penza military electronics plant, part of Russia's war support industry. At least 3 people were killed, a civilian woman in Penza, an elderly man in Samara, and a security guard in Rostov, while debris and secondary fires struck several industrial districts. Russian air defense claimed overnight interception of more than 110 drones. The operation signals Ukraine's growing ability to carry out deep strike drone missions against energy infrastructure and drone launch nodes far from the front lines. New range firing training simulators, RFTS, have entered service with the Pakistan Army, designed to replicate real battlefield conditions. These simulators include programmable weather effects, variable terrain visuals, and AI-driven enemy behavior to train infantry and artillery crews under stress. The goal? Reduce live-fire costs and enhance decision-making in combat zones. This step marks a shift toward immersive, data-backed wargaming for the next generation of Pakistan's ground forces. The classic Recoilless rifle, 106mm, has made a modern comeback, upgraded with improved optics, thermal sights, and precision-fused heat rounds. This lightweight, crew-served weapon is now being repurposed for asymmetric anti-armor roles, especially in mountainous or urban warfare zones. Deployed on light vehicles or static defenses, the 106mm offers a cost-effective way to punch through enemy armor at close ranges, showing that old tech can still pack a modern punch. Kamra has quietly reverse-engineered key systems of Turkey's ANKA-III stealth UAV, including its low RCS body, internal payload bay, and AI flight software, and built a prototype in just 18 months. Pakistan's version, while not a direct copy, mirrors the design philosophy: long endurance, low radar signature, and precision strike capability. This drone, expected to enter testing in 2026, could eventually serve as a loyal wingman to JF-17s or operate in high-risk reconnaissance roles over hostile terrain. India's S-400 air defense may be the most advanced SAM system in the region, but Pakistan's new Raad-III air-launched cruise missile with potential hypersonic speeds and terrain-hugging flight paths might just slip through. The Raad-III reportedly features radar-evading tech and autonomous target correction. The S-400's radar dome is strong, but no system is foolproof. And in modern warfare, it's not just who detects first, but who strikes undetected. In an unconventional twist, Pakistan is weighing Bitcoin mining against traditional IMF loans to boost revenue. Defense analysts worry this financial gamble could impact long-term procurement and R&D funding. However, if regulated well, crypto earnings might fund localized defense production, reduce foreign dependency, and fuel dual-use tech sectors. It's a risky strategy, but in a post-dollar global order, those who adapt first might gain both financial and military advantage. Pakistan's Ababeel missile, equipped with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, MIRVs, is designed to overwhelm missile defense systems by delivering several warheads simultaneously. In contrast, India's Agni-V carries a heavier payload with longer reach. While Agni-V's strength is in deep strike deterrence, Ababeel's MIRVs offer counter-defense precision. In a real exchange scenario, it's a battle between volume and velocity, and Pakistan may just have the edge in saturating enemy defenses.
So what do you think? Drop your reply to today's question